Hey guys, my name is Freedom. I just published a lot of fruits 3D models. I scanned them from the real fruits by using a 3D scanner, and then finally I make it as a 3D model which is an OBJ format. By using the OBJ format, it is universal for almost all of the 3D software like Blender, iClone 8, Unreal Engine 5, etc. For all of these fruits 3D model, what you need to do is just go to my official site, freedom3d.org. It is going to lead you to here, the freedom3d.org. You can just check it from here. Now, once you enter here, you can see there are a lot of categories. You just need to select the fruits. For other 3D objects, for other categories, there are still less 3D model. Now, recently I do a lot of fruits. Alright, so you click the fruits, it is going to lead you to the fruit category. Then you can select it from there. Then now you can see you have green apple, you have dragon fruits, you have pear, you have lemons, and even the lime, the peach too. For today's updates, you can see the last time the dehydrated lemons cut, the banana, the sweet prune, the orange, etc. And I'm going to keep on updating. For each of these fruits, for today's, I just sell $2. It is a royalty-free license which allow you to use it in any of your 3D game developing. You can put it in your game project, you can render it in any of your 3D animations, or you can modify it as well. And you can just drag it into your Unreal Engine 5. You can drag it into your iClone 8 3D animation software. Just drag and drop, it is going to import into all of this software. You can import it into your Blender as well. For 3D animations, you need a lot of the 3D contents. Alright, once you already choose any of the fruits that you want, for example the lime, right click, open in a new tab, add here, just take it easy, it is just $2, just click purchase and you can get a zip folder like this. Right, just right click and extract the zip folder, click extract. It is going to extract it into the folder. You can see now it's already extracted. It is an OBJ file. Now you can see this is the texture. This is the image texture and you have the OBJ. If you are using the Microsoft Windows 10, you double click it, it will open with the 3D viewer and you can view it immediately. Now you can see this is a line. This is really a photorealistic 3D scan. I use a 3D scanner to scan it. Alright, I hope all of you like it for your 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing project for my 3D scan fruits. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials or sharings, if you feel all these tutorials or sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. If you love my 3D scans products like the foods, I also scan some foods for sometimes I eat a meal, I scan it. This is a sweet potato, this is a sushi, and there are some vegetables as well if you like it. You also can just subscribe this website, subscribe the email notifications, then you'll receive an email notification for every time I update and publish a new 3D models and scans. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you.